Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please, if you are new here, hello, you're welcome. My name is Rose. I'm a mother, a hairstylist, and also a YouTuber. In this channel, we share a lot of videos. We like cooking, we talk about life experience, we do lifestyle vlog video, and we also share some hairstyles. So if you're interested in this kind of channel, ensure to subscribe, turn on notification bell so that anytime we upload, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you for always coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate every one of you. So today, guys, I'm back again with another video. In today's video, we'll be making baby Olivia's hair. Olivia is my friend's daughter, so she asked me to make Olivia's hair. But the problem was that Olivia have already put all her edges hair because according to her mom, she always play with her hair. Each time she make hair for her, she always drag the hair, playing with the hair. I don't know. So she have already put all her hair edges. So I was so confused and I don't really know the style to make for her. So I just decided to make the simple style for her. And the hair was so due because the mom said she don't want to put a relaxer on her hair. So I was so confused, but I just decided to make this simple style for her. So guys, just sit back, relax, and watch how I'm going to achieve this simple style for Olivia. So guys, after braiding the whole hair, I just leave this part of extension unbraided so that I can make some coils for her. So what I did, I just tie it with some thread and then apply hot water. Please, you need to be very careful when you are at this point, because if you're not careful, and you may just end up hurting the baby. So you need to be very careful if you're making this style for your child or any baby at all. So basically that is what I did. Just tie the hair up and then apply it to hot water. But I didn't show you guys where I applied the hot water, but you're going to see where I was losing the coil. So that is what I did. Please, if you have watched this video to this extent and you have not given me a thumbs up, please, I beg you, give me a thumbs up and then subscribe to my channel. You give me a thumbs up, it helps YouTube to suggest my videos to other channels. If you guys don't give me a thumbs up and you only watch and go, YouTube cannot suggest this video to other channels. So your like will make YouTube to suggest this video to other channels. Thank you so much for watching to this extent. At this point, I will leave you guys, and till next time, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.